You guys out there that watch my videos that are living in a place where you guys don't get any snow, like Australia or some other place, this is a real deal, guys. This is really the real deal right here, pretty much. I've seen worse, but I haven't seen it this bad in quite a while. Everybody's all decorated for Christmas. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Now I can't freaking see. That was really good. I'll turn my defroster back up. The camera's really not picking up all the snowflakes that are hitting this windshield, but it's really coming down.